Hello and welcome to StayTech. Today I'm going to show you how to make custom keyboard shortcuts on your Mac. If you use Command-C to copy or Command-V to paste, then you're already familiar with what a shortcut is. What if you could make keyboard shortcuts for anything in the menu on your Mac? You can. macOS makes it fast and easy to make custom keyboard shortcuts for any menu item. Let's get into it. On Windows, Chrome has a keyboard shortcut for the Chrome Task Manager, but on macOS there isn't. Let's make one. A quick aside, the Chrome Task Manager is useful for finding which tab or extension is causing Chrome to run slowly. Currently, we can get to the Chrome Task Manager by opening Chrome and selecting the Window menu, then Task Manager. Notice the menu item doesn't have a keyboard shortcut next to it. Now let's give it a shortcut. First, note the exact name, spelling, and capitalizations of the menu item you wish to give a shortcut to. In this case, Task Manager with a capital T and capital M. Now open System Preferences, select Keyboard, then the Shortcut tab. Finally, select App Shortcuts in the left pane. To add a shortcut, select the plus button. In the dialog that appears, find and select the application you want to add the shortcut to in the application drop-down list. Google Chrome in our case. Then type in the exact menu title for the menu item you want to create a shortcut for. In this case, Task Manager. Again, this is case sensitive, so make sure you have the correct letters capitalized to match the menu item. Now select the keyboard shortcut field. Hold down the desired combination of keys and they will appear in the box. In my case, I have chosen Control Escape. Finally, select the Add button to create the shortcut. Okay, now we have our shortcut added. Let's close System Preferences and try it out. I'm back in Chrome and now I enter Control Escape. Voila, there's the Task Manager. I'll no longer have to go digging through the menus for it when Chrome starts misbehaving. Again, shortcuts can be created for any menu item, so next time you are digging for the 1000th time to get your computer to do something, consider creating a custom shortcut for it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a like and share it with a friend you think would get something out of it. If you'd like to learn more about what your technology is capable of, definitely consider subscribing. Comment the custom keyboard shortcut you made below so others can get ideas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.